If your Xbox Series X is crashing, it can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to help recover your console. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. The simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the settings menu and select system. From there, choose updates to check if there are any available updates for your console. Keeping your system updated can fix bugs that may cause crashes. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, turn off your console and unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 10 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing issues. Step 4. Uninstall problematic games. If the crashing occurs while playing specific games, consider uninstalling and reinstalling those games. Go to My Games and Apps, select the game, and choose Uninstall. After that, reinstall it from your library. Step 5. Factory reset. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, you may need to perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, select System, then Console Info, and choose Reset Console. You can choose to keep your games and apps or remove everything for a fresh start. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issue on your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.